good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghostfighter 2 Tweets. And y'all already know I'm back with another informative video. I'm going to start dropping all this heat. I got like 15 videos for y'all, man. I got like 15, not 15, 15. All right, so what we have today is the Bytech Bluetooth, and I'm going to have it on the title. I'm going to tell you already where I got it from. It was $6. It was $5.95 at 5 and below. And as you can see, it's a disco ball. It lights up the whole room. I'm going to do that part for you. The further part of the video, I'm going to edit this video for you guys. I'm going to do it. And it comes with a controller, so I can be sitting in my chair, boom, and cut it on. And set the mood, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, wife, you know what I'm saying? And set the mood, you know what I'm saying? Ain't that right, baby? Ain't that right, baby? She ignoring me right now, but I got something for her too. I know what I'm gonna do with her. But look, so let's get into what this thing does. Let's read it so we know it together. Bytech, art by technology. And then when I put it in the title, I'm gonna misspell a word or something, because for some reason you get yellow flag when you put the actual name of these things, and they want profit and dividends, and I'm not giving it to them. But I'll do the review enough for you guys to prosper from it. Let's get into it. So it has a pattern. It says multicolor patterns, a relaxing ambient light that you can do with it. Plays music. I don't know how it plays music, but it plays music. We're going to figure that all out when we do it. Standard light base. So you put it in a standard light bulb base. And it says easy to install. And it's Bluetooth. So I think I can hook my phone to it. Let's see what it says on the back. Livy, chill. Multicolor disco music bulb speaker. Features indoor bulb. Coats. Multiple lights. Great for bars, parties, and dancing. 360 rotation. What? I don't want this thing to blow up my little lamp they plug in, but we're going to give it a try. Easy to install. This bulb fits a standard light socket. Specifications. Bluetooth V5.0. Sound output 3 watts. Voltage 100 to 240. 50 to 60 hertz. Okay? That's what the back of the box look like. Okay? Side of the box and all the stuff I just read. Front of the box with the remote controller and wire. And we're going to see if this thing really plays music. We're going to really get into it, okay? So, let's unbox it. Can you grab me a knife from Mom?
Yeah, sure.
Don't try this at home. For you kids, don't be trying this at home. Let your parents do it for you. Hurry, come on. Come on. Chop, chop. Knife. Come on, baby. Shirt. All right, here we go. So, boom. Cut the side. All right. Here we go. Open it up. Ooh. It's a pretty cool unboxing. Piece of plastic comes on it. And then bam. Oh, it feels like it got a little thing up top, and when you plug it in, oh, it has some electrical stuff going on the inside of this. Now this won't be something that I use all the time, but when I want to set the mood. I love you, babe. Hey, babe. My wife is over here making faces, but that's all right, though. Yeah. But there's the light. And there is the... Go around. You got to come underneath the table. My daughter wants to be in the video with me. She always trying to photo bomb, video bomb my videos. If you pull this piece right here out, this has multicolor, so it has play, start, stop. You pull this out, and then it works. It got on and off. Right, it got the light dimming and setting, all the colors, and it got push play. So this thing really does do Bluetooth. We're gonna link it to my phone or to a phone and see exactly what it'll do. No, it's gonna be probably Sierra's phone, because I got to use the phone to record. So, and then in this, you get that, and then you get instructions. Okay, and let's see. Okay. So it tells you how to change your battery and everything. I know people be wanting to see that, and then I know everybody always wants to see what's inside the box. There's nothing in there, bro. It's nothing in there, bro. It's nothing in there. All right. We'll be back with the further part of the video. You guys make sure you hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. We'll keep rocking these videos out, man. I didn't do but 5 hours of comp time today at work, working overtime. So I got some motivation in me to try to get these videos out, and motivation comes and goes. So I'm trying to be consistent more than I am motivated to get these videos done. You remember when you did an original video with me a long time ago? You was a baby. You were sitting on top of the waters trying to help me, and I was like, girl, if you don't be still while I do this video.
I had nothing on. I just had
well, now you don't got no teeth. So here we are years later with no teeth. All right, guys. I'll see you in the further part of the video. Stay tuned. All right, so what's good, Ghost Gang? We're going to get right on into it, and I got the controller in my hand and everything it does, so we're going to turn it on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. It lights up my entire room. Now, my room goes way over there in the corner, but if I had that in the middle or you had it hanging from the ceiling, it would mimic the same thing that I'm doing. So I'm just going to show you a few color variations just to kind of show you what it does. Green, blue, blue and yellow, all red, alternating, and then you can hit auto and it'll go through a series of all the colors that are on the actual bulb. And it also, I'm going to be showing you that it also plays music. Now this is on auto setting. Now you could turn the ambient of it lighter and darker right here with this little button. You can turn it lighter and darker. And what else does it do? Let me look at it. Yeah, you see I got my nice gaming setup going on with the PS5. You know how I get down. I got something down there that you guys ain't seen yet that I'm going to be doing a video on. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you guys will see it in another video. Yeah, this is what I do, bro. Gaming, baby. All right, so I took it off of that setting. Now, my daughter's going to show you that it plays music. It's going to be one of my videos. I'm not going to play actual music because I don't want to get copyrighted for making my money. So go ahead, Sierra. She has a Bluetooth connected to it. I'm trying to get back to my videos. I'm so lazy doing a lot of these videos on these reviews. Oh, look at that. That makes sense. Now I'm not lazy no more. I'm getting into it. For your home. As you can see, look at that. We have the socket. Go get y'all one, man. That's an easy buy. Set the mood, make it look cool in your room or your gaming area. I'm absolutely not sure. Listen to me talking in it. In the comment section of where I got it from, the price point I paid, which I think was no more than $5 or $10. See? $5 and below need to pay me, man. $5 and below need to pay me, bro, because I be doing them some justice with people coming and buying this type of stuff, bro. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this was a very informational video for you guys. I showed you the unboxing, the full review, what I think this rating for this thing. It gets a 9 out of 10 for me. The only thing that this doesn't do is it doesn't play the speaker very loud. But if you're listening and no one is around, it plays perfectly fine. So I can sit here in my big, nice gaming chair. Yeah, and my daughter who wanted to be in the video. And I can hit this button and cut it on and cut it off or light it or change the mood while I sit and play my game on my 55-inch beast. That nano cell. I have a video on that too. But without further ado, hit me with a sub, like, and a comment. I know you guys enjoy these type of videos. There's plenty of people out here that like this kind of stuff. So you know I got an array of things on my channel. I'm going to keep pushing out these videos, giving y'all some awesome content. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. Hit me with a sub, like, and comment, and I would appreciate it for getting you guys this video together. Peace!